All right, so on our beautiful panel that we have that truly stands alone, we are thinking about lining it in the blue. What do you think for lining in the blue? I think it really matches with her dress, with her purse. I think that'll bring it out real nice. So we'll be putting the blue on the sides and then maybe some 9 patches out here to help fill in and make a true quilt. Yay! And then to really build it out, thought about some of these 9 patches. I have a lot more fabric that we're going to make 9 patches out of. I just have 4 left over from a previous quilt. And in between these patches, I thought maybe put one of these Disney fabrics. So not sure how we're going to do it, but that is the layout. That is my thought so far. So hit that comment button. I want to know your thoughts. How would you do it if this were your panel to figure out? Matching our seams. We've got them pressed so they're in opposite directions, so they lay flatter. So we've taken our strips, put them in 3, cut them down. Now we're making our 9 patches. Beautiful. I am loving these 9 patches. They are so bright and brilliant. I'm really, really liking them in the quilt that we're making. I think they're going to help accent and not overpower our big Mickey. Yay! Can I say wow, or can I say wow? I love these colors around this panel. My friends, it is amazing what you can do with scrap fabric. It is amazing what you can do with panels. It is amazing what you can do with 9 patch blocks. All right, so, well, that's not a quilt. Yeah, but inside of here, we're going to be cutting up those fat quarters that I have of the Disney fabric and placing them in. So this is going to be so wonderful. It is a couch throw, my friends. It is, I love it. Okay, let's go to the cutting board. Okay, so I'm thinking the corners in this fabric, and then in between all of the blocks with these Disney fabrics. And my friends, we have just ironed them, and now I'm ready to take them over to the cutting board to cut them up. But I think I'm in love with this quilt. How do you give away a quilt that is so perfect? Well, I guess, my friends, it's all in seeing their face when I give it to them. Oh, I love these. Okay, let's get cutting. Okay, and to recap what I think I already said, we're going to have this red in all 4 corners. We're going to have this staggered and then put it up there to balance. We're going to have this here and then one on either side there. And our lady we're going to put in that corner over there. So I am excited. It looks like this is coming together, and it looks like I have enough of this blue border to border it and then maybe bind it in a dark burgundy. What do you think? I'm feeling it. I hope you are too. All right, and here is everything laid out. I'm so excited. Now we are going to sew them together. I have all of our side patches matching our blocks. I am loving this. Okay, and did you see what I did, my friends? We did these blocks equal to this block, but in here on the sides, we've actually elongated our pieces that we've put in between to fill up our squares. So I am loving this. I hope you are too. And now, poof, we're going to the sewing machine. And looky, looky, we have sewn our blocks together. Now we're auditioning them, putting them up along the side of our panel with our panel border. And we're going to be sewing on both sides. And then we'll sew on the bottom. Then we'll sew on the top. And then we will look at the borders on the outside of that. I'm thinking blue. So what do you think, my friends? I want to hear. So hit that comment button. Tell me what you think. This is a lap quilt. This is a throw quilt. This goes on the couch to comfy up in. Before we go over to the sewing machine to sew on these strips around our focal block, I wanted to ask you, please, if you would, there's a new thing called hype. If you're enjoying this video, my friends, it really would be wonderful if you gave me a thumbs up, share my video, and subscribe and hit that hype button. That hype button, and then hit it again to say hype. It'll assign points, and the more points I receive, the more views I will get. And looky! Ready to sew on, so let's get back over to the sewing machine. I'm going to pop them on real quick and be right back. I just love all the Mickey faces, and I think these 9 patch of colors really make the quilt pop. And also, my friends, I think one of the tricks to making you love your quilt is using colors that you love, panels that you love, fabrics that you love, and ironing and pressing between each block. Because as you see, that's what we're doing before I show you the laid out lap quilt. And here we go. We are final, and it is looking gorgeous. I love it. What about you? Tell me your thoughts. Perfect. Oh my goodness. And I think the red binding is going to be absolutely gorgeous. Okay, so our beautiful quilt has been finished. We've put it on the long arm, and we have stitched hearts everywhere, loop-de-loop and hearts. And I'm thinking it came out great. We've used a polyester blend for the batting, and we're going to use some beautiful red around the edges for the binding. Yay!